In January of this year, I did a video on routines. This is Routines 2.0. I'll do an overview of how to set up routines and show you some of the new additions, such as music control, volume, and calendars. Hi, my name is Craig. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I do tech tips and reviews along with the weekly Echo series. Check out the description. I'll put links in there to the Echoes to learn more about them. Or if you want to take advantage of some of these holiday deals going on, please use those links. It definitely helps the channel out. This is week number 47 of my 52-week Echo video challenge. If you watch some of the others, thank you. Also, I've changed the name of my device to Computer to hopefully avoid triggering your device at home. It had been a while since I'd written a routine, so when I went into the app recently to write one, I was surprised and excited to see some of the new additions. Originally with routines, you were able to get your device to say something, give you a news flash, trigger a smart device, a weather forecast, and get traffic. And you were only able to schedule routines or trigger them with the voice command. Now you have the option to trigger routines with an Echo button or a device. But the device thing isn't working so far for me. Maybe you'll have better luck with it. Some of the new actions you could trigger are playing music by artist, genre, or song. You can control the volume of your device. You can get a calendar update that'll tell you what's coming up on your schedule, or you could send a message to all your devices or have an announcement made. Right now, I have a couple routines set up that control some music, set it at a volume, turn off the TV, and will change the color of my lights. For example, I can say, computer, relaxing. This started some classical music, it turned off the television and changed the lights to blue. Computer, energize.
Let's get our energy up.
Now that one turned up the volume, started a rock playlist, changed my lights to something a little more colorful, and even gave me a little announcement. If I want to relax, do a little meditation, computer, meditate.
Time to relax your mind and body. Focus on your breathing.
Now that starts a little spa music, gives me a little announcement to say it's time to relax, change the color of my lights. So that's just a couple examples of some routines I made. Now let's look at making some routines. To make a routine, you open up the app on your phone, go to the three lines in the upper left-hand corner, select routines, and there you can see some of the routines I've already made. If I want to make a new one, let's hit plus. Then under when this happens, you'll pick what's going to trigger this routine. For this, I want to use voice. Next, I'll add actions. For the action, let's first set the device volume. We'll put it at 60%. Let's add that. I can add another action. Let's turn our smart home lights. Let's just control a device. We'll grab the short lamp. We'll turn it up in intensity. Let's set a color for it. Let's make it cool white. Next, it's at 80%. We'll add that. Let's say we want to bring up the other light, the tall lamp. We'll take that up to full. Let's set the color. Just for fun, let's put that in turquoise so we can see it change. Hit next. We'll add that. So now those two lights have their individual commands. We could just have it trigger a group, or if we have some scenes made, we could have those triggered instead. Now let's add a news flash. Let's add a calendar. It'll tell us our next event. Let's get the weather forecast. Let's send a message. We could get a notification on our app, or let's just say we want to send an announcement. Good morning, time to wake up. And we'll send it to all devices. We'll add that. And at the end of all that, let's just have it play some music. From Amazon Music, let's play some classical. And let's have that play for 30 minutes. We could hit next there. That's been added. Now with this, here's the list of everything that's going to happen when we say good morning. Let's say I want my calendar before the news flash. I could grab it by the 2 lines on the left and just move it up. If I want to move the weather too, grab it by the 2 lines. So now that's everything in there. We hit create. And the routine will be ready in 1 minute. Let's try this routine out. Computer, good morning.
Your next event is live stream Carl tomorrow at 6 p.m. Right now in Agora Hills, it's 58 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast has clouds and showers, with a high of 67 degrees and a low of 51 degrees. From Reuters TV.
From Reuters TV, here are today's top stories.
A blow for Russia as Interpol chooses its next president.
You're up to date. For more, check back later or download the Reuters TV app.
That's all from your flash briefing. Good morning, time to wake up.
That was the whole routine. It turned up the device, it changed the lights, it gave us a calendar update, gave a weather forecast, the news briefing, an announcement, and ended with some music. That routine can be triggered using voice at a preset time or using one of the echo buttons. If you use the button, you don't have to say a word, you just hit it and start that whole routine. Now you can't put alarms or timers in routines. Those are device specific and would need it to be set on the device you want the alarm or timer to go off. That's a look at routines. I think these new features are very useful. I love that Amazon will take a feature that they've already had and add more to it like this. I look forward to seeing what else they end up adding to routines as the year goes on. My question for you is, do you use routines? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't, consider subscribing and click that bell to be notified of the next video. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the description. There's an Amazon link in there. Bookmark it, use it, and Amazon will kick the channel back a little. I appreciate you watching this. Have a great day. Bye.